Hey everyone, today I'm checking out the 3i G10 Plus Robot Vacuum. And let me just say, this little machine packs a ton of smart features into a super sleek body. If you're looking for a vacuum that's powerful, quiet, and basically runs your house for you, stick around because this one might surprise you. Let's start with one of the biggest features, 60 days of hands-free cleaning. Unlike most robot vacuums, the G10 doesn't have a bulky base station. Instead, it compresses dust and debris right inside of the robot itself. Watch this.
Dust box has been removed.
It uses 3i's patented debris compression technology to compact all that dust into a super tight space. That means fewer emptyings and way less mess. And here's the best part. No bulky base, no replacement bags required. Just 60 days of hands-free vacuuming with a built-in UV light to keep that dustbin clean and hygienic. Corners and edges covered. The G10 Plus uses something called Ultra Reach extendable side brushes, which literally reach out and grab dust from the edges of your walls and under your furniture. Plus, the adaptive mop actually hugs the walls, so it's not just vacuuming, it's mopping with precision. Now let's talk brains. The G10 Plus has a flagship level navigation powered by DTOF LiDAR, dual 3D structured light, and even an AI camera. It builds a super accurate 3D map of your home and can recognize over 100 types of objects, which means no bumping into those pet bowls or wires. It's smooth, smart, and obstacle-free. This little guy also packs a punch, 18,000 PA of suction power. That's more than twice what most vacuums in this class offer. And with the floating roller brush, it adjusts in real time to different floor types, so you're always getting that deep clean. The G10 Plus doesn't just clean, it thinks. With AI Dirt Scan, it detects how dirty a spot is and adjusts suction and water level. It also knows how to clean room by room in smart order, so no random patterns and no wasted time. Worried about carpets? Don't be. The G10 Plus has customizable carpet care settings. So you can tell it to avoid carpets, boost suction, and yes, the mop lifts up automatically when it senses carpet. so you're not getting anything soggy. All of this is controlled easily through the 3i app. Speaking of the app, it's simple, powerful, and intuitive. You can set no-go zones, adjust schedules, and control cleaning modes. And yes, it works with Alexa and Google Assistant. So you can clean it with just your voice. So let's put it to the test. Whether it's a liquid mess or solid debris, the G10 Plus handles it like a pro. So to wrap it up, the 3i G10 Plus is built to clean smarter, not harder. With 60-day no emptying, there's no bulky base and no replacement bags. Just less noise and more convenience. You get 100% edge and corner coverage with the Ultra Reach side brush and adaptive mop, delivering full coverage and effortless cleaning all around, even under furniture. It features flagship level advanced navigation and precision mapping using LiDAR and AI to recognize over 100 objects. It's smooth, it's efficient, and cleans like a pro. With 18,000 PA of suction power, it's more than twice as strong as most, giving you a true deep cleaning. It also cleans smarter using AI-powered dirt scan, adaptive suction, and smart room-to-room cleaning. It tackles every kind of mess. Clean smarter, not harder. AI-powered Smart Be Your Rescue. You can care for carpets your way with flexible carpet cleaning modes personalized to your needs. And finally, it all comes together with seamless app and voice control to brighten your daily life. One app, one command, and the G10 Plus fits perfectly into your daily smart life. With 60 days of hands-free, bagless dust collection, quieter cleaning, and powerful AI-driven performance. The 3i G10 Plus isn't just smart, it's smarter. Enjoy a more compact, eco-conscious clean every single day.